So you want to make $10,000 per month in your coaching business. What exactly do you need to do? Let's reverse engineer it. Let's say that you're doing this with the cold DMs, which is the best method for beginner coaches. So let's say you are messaging 100 people per day. So, and you take the weekend off, so that is 5 days a week, so it's 500 messages per week. So that is 2,000 messages in a month. And let's say that out of 100 messages per day, you have just 1% that actually turns into a booking. Some of them will reply, some of them will not be interested, and you have to do a lot of follow-up.
Om 600 meter. Tag tredje afkørsel i rundkørslen.
1% of your outreach actually turns into a booking. So then you have 1 booking per day, so you have 20 bookings, 20 calls per month. And let's say that you have also a pretty bad conversion rate on your sales calls if you're just starting out, and also some of the people are not going to show up. So a pretty bad conversion rate is like 10%. Normal conversion rate is 15 to 20%. But if we just say 10%, it's always better to calculate with the low numbers and get a positive reply or a positive surprise. So with a 10% conversion rate and 20 calls, then you actually get 2 clients per month. So then, of course, how much you get paid depends on the price of your program. But if you want to get more than 2 clients per month, you know exactly what to do. Do more outreach, do more messages. But everything is also going to improve. Some of the messages you sent out previously, people may start to respond to those, and you're also going to get better at sending the messages. You know what to say, and you're going to get better at your sales call, so that you will also get a higher conversion rate on your sales calls. And you'll be building your brand, so people will also start to come to you. But sending 100 messages per day is really not hard, because you can eliminate other stuff that are not contributing to you building your business. Because the only thing you have to really focus on is getting bookings, so doing the outreach, and then doing the sales calls, and then also taking care of your clients, doing the coaching, getting them good results. That's all you need to do. You don't need to build a website, you don't need to do branding, you don't need a fancy logo, you don't really need to do too much with your social media account, just basic things. You really don't need to do a lot of posting. However, I would say that it is good to do posting, because you can reply to people who are reacting to your posts. And also you'll be also building your brand, and with time, over years, probably people will start to come to you if you are doing good content. So that's how you get at least 2 clients per month. Give me a like, follow, and subscribe.